Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Kids Magic World, and today we are going to be showing you how to use smoke diffuser. There's the diffuser, cotton wick, cable and the instruction paper. So this is the color they gave. It looks very cute, and from this hole the smoke will come. Now I will show you how to use this. You take the diffuser, rotate to open it, and fill in with some water. Next, close the diffuser. Next, take the cable and insert it in the holes given in the diffuser. Now insert the other end of the cable to adapter and on the switch. And on the switch on the diffuser. And now you will see the lights and the smoke come out. If you want some fragrance in your room, then you can add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil. And then close the lid.